Hi guys, hope you're well and welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we're going to take a look at CHILIZ. Before we begin the analysis, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I will pin two links, one to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates and stay up to date with the signals that we are taking in the premium group, and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about the services that we provide. So looking at CHILIZ, first of all here on the daily chart, we can see that really for the most part of 2023 it was pretty weak, a lot of bearish price action. But 2024 has started strongly and we are seeing that even now from the yearly open we've reached highs of around 30%. We've had a really strong move over the last couple of days. This has been brought about by the announcement of an integration with a digital wallet called Ramper. This allows people to access their wallets through social media accounts and things like that. So it's kind of new technology that's been integrated with CHILIZ. And something else to keep in mind is traditionally CHILIZ was all about fan tokens. There's a lot of involvement with football clubs and things like that. But we are seeing kind of more of a transition into gaming now, and we know that gaming and crypto are very closely related and probably going to be a huge narrative over the next couple of years. This may not be a coin that you think of, that you first think of when it comes to gaming, but it's definitely one to keep an eye on in that sector as we start to see growth in that area. If we start to see more of these integrations with gaming companies, then this is one that could surprise a lot of people. But I just want to show you on the weekly chart how we've been trading at a really, really key level. We can see that the 2022 lows here on the weekly chart were lost in the early part of, the middle part of 2023. We broke down from it in May, really strong sell-off on this weekly candle. This then formed a range where we traded below this for, from May all the way to the end and even up to last week, first part of 2024. So this is a really clear weekly support resistance flip level. We have just broken out of this range, sort of closing last week just above it. This week we've back tested and continued to move up. So this is a good signal, for the coming weeks, as long as this level holds. So what we want to see here is weekly closes above 9 cents. That's, we don't want to start closing below 9 cents. Otherwise, that's going to be acceptance back into this range, and potentially we just continue between this 6 and 9 cents level. But, if we can stay where we are now, then I would be looking to target up towards 13, 14 cents from here. So potentially another 30% move could come pretty fast on CHILIZ, but really have my eye on in the medium term, looking to target this wick here from this weekly move, early 2023. That's up at around 18 cents. So if this level holds here, that's, we can potentially form a range top of still another 90% move from here. Something like this, and then start to have this as our range between 10 and 18 cents. When I made a video before about CHILIZ, I think it was like 2022, I mentioned how the EMA 50 was quite significant on this on the weekly chart. We've seen a lot of interactions from this level. And this has continued throughout 2023. When we broke down from it here, rejected, and we can also see February 2023 we rejected right off of the EMA 50. Now this weekly support resistance flip level that I mentioned ties in exactly with the EMA 50, and this week looks like we're going to get the first sort of cleanest close above that EMA 50 level. So you might want to set alerts for this if we get any retest of the EMA 50 on the weekly. So currently sitting just under 10 cents, might be a good position to take a swing trade on CHILIZ that would line up with a retest again of the old resistance, confirming it as new support again. But you can play this EMA 50, looking for a reaction from there. If we start to see any weekly acceptance under the EMA 50, then you can look to use this to take perhaps a swing short position, lose the EMA 50, and then likely that then just becomes resistance again, and we flip back, you know, into a bearish price action on CHILIZ. So I hope you found this video useful, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Are you holding CHILIZ? What your thoughts of it are long term? Do you have any price targets for this? And I will see you on the next video.